So here's the deal. I've done as much work now as I can on Bobby, but until we get his forks replaced, I'm not going anywhere. Which means no more blog content, no more photography, no more events. So how am I going to do this? I can't work until I get a work visa. I can't get a work visa until my husband's work visa comes through. And they said that could be anything up until mid-April. I know one thing's for sure, I'm not going to get anything done by sat here reading this book. Which, by the way, Michelle, is absolutely awesome. I definitely recommend for anyone who wants to read. I'm only in the first couple of chapters and I'm already hooked. I'll put a link below in my links. So let's come up with a game plan. Plan of action. I need to raise $600 to cover the cost of second-hand forks and to get them fitted. I've saved $34 so far. So, plan of action then. I need to raise $600 to get Bobby up and running so I can get to these events, meet up with everyone I want to meet, send you guys some videos, write my articles, in other words, just keep everything going. So, I had my merchandise store previously. It didn't go very well. I wasn't very over keen with the company that I was with, plus I think the prices were way too high. However, I have found another company which I'm going to look at using. Not only will they sell apparel, they will sell a few other items such as stickers and things like that as well. So that's my first plan. Also, I have started making a few little homemade somethings which I'll put on my store very soon. They're all like homemade motorcycle related things. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll get those up and running on my store in the next week or so. Have a little look, feel free to purchase, and yeah, fingers crossed that I'll get some money in the door. I'll also put a link down below for my PayPal, so if you want to donate $1 or $2 to my cause, then please feel free. But keep an eye out for that merchandise. That is plan going forward. And fingers crossed I'll get you some more content, and we will get this all sorted, get Bobby back on the road. Also, don't forget, I'm now part of Peter Pan Bike World, so if you're planning a little bike holiday with some mates, or you're thinking of going abroad on the bikes, then get in contact. Or if you do make a booking through Peter Pan Bike World, then don't forget to mention my name, Donna, in the free word.